Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Apple stock. Before we proceed, this video is for educational purposes only and not a financial advice. If you have been following our video channel for a while, you'll know that we had done an extensive analysis on the Apple stock, and we were looking for our target was anywhere between $182 to $188 for the share price. And since our target was met a few weeks ago, the actually Apple price has been rotating down. And what we are looking for is for the price to rotate down to about $155 per share level. So that's going to be the next area to look at. What is really important is we are looking at a weekly chart of Apple, and the price broke below the 165 spot 95 level, so that was 38.2% retracement level. That was a minor support, so it seems to have broken that. We'll just look at more detail at the stock by looking at the daily chart. So this is the one which we have been following for quite a while. Now I'll just quickly go through how we had arrived at that target. The best is to actually look at find the video within the channel, and in that we go in depth, but I will just do a real quick overview of it. So basically we had a number of ABCD moves coming in this region. So the biggest one is this the low it formed in March of 2020. So we take the line segment A, B, so that is this move depicted by this blue line, and we project it from a point C, which was the low it reached in September of 2020. We get a target of roughly about $188 per share. And then we had a few nested ABCDs cycles which were also coming in that region, and there were smaller ones in this part here. And that's how we arrived at this target of about 182 to 188 dollars per share level. And that's also the region where actually the Apple reached a market valuation of 3 trillion, and it saw that valuation for a few days and then rotated lower. So what are we looking at now? So one thing to note is the price has broken below the 20-day moving average, which is this simple blue line. So on a shorter term basis, the momentum is towards the downside. In fact, the momentum has been down for quite a few weeks actually. And what is important to note is that price is still above the 200-day moving average, so which is this black line above. So that is a longer term moving average we are keeping an eye on. So what are we looking at? What we are looking at is basically Apple had done a retracement at the start or the beginning of 2021, and we are now about 1 year after that, and it had done a retracement of about six weeks. So that is starting somewhere on 25th of Jan, ending around the 8th of March. And then this year we have started the year with the lower prices, and if we were to take that as a symmetric move, I'm just gonna move that here. That is going to take us to about $155, and then 155 is also the 61.8% retracement level of this move here. So that's the, let me try to make it a little bit obvious here. So that's about $155 here. Boom. So we got a confluence level coming around here of 61.8% retracement level. It's also very close to the structural support here. Plus we have the symmetric move, and the 200-day moving average is creeping higher above. So that's the next point we are taking a look at. Now you'll also notice this blue zigzag line here. That was an ABCD pattern, but the price broke below that on Friday, which is a indication that lower prices are perhaps to be expected in the Apple stock. Now, once it gets to this $155 level, we'll have to look at the price action very, very carefully. That is because to ascertain whether this corrective move is kind of a move which is likely to terminate here, and then perhaps Apple begins to form a sort of a base or accumulation takes place between this level and the 200-day moving average, which will also come very close to the 78.6% retracement level of this leg here, or if it begins to close below these levels, particularly the 200-day moving average, then it is likely going to indicate that this correction of the ABCD larger move is in play, and Apple could see a much larger correction then. And just to get an idea of if that were to unfold, we are looking at a 38.2% retracement coming around $131 per share. So roughly we can say $130 per share at that, if that were to take place. So that's what we are watching in the Apple stock, and these are the key levels we are looking at. Last Friday, Apple broke below that 38.2% support level and also that ABCD structure. This is indicative that perhaps the next target, which we were anticipating actually for quite some time, is the $155 per share level, is the kind of region the price is likely going to. And at that stage, we'll look at the price action, and we'll watch that very, very closely and very, very carefully to ascertain whether perhaps there is a larger corrective move in play or not. So speak to you guys soon. If you like our analysis and the videos we make, then please do subscribe to the channel. Also click on that bell icon button. That way you'll know when the new videos are being posted. Thank you very much. Have a great day, night, wherever you are, and good luck in your trading. Bye.